naglatag po ang membership committee ng panukala na mag-register ang partido ng party list. Kasi kung napapansin ninyo, medyo na ano na yung party list system eh. Ang mga tumatakbo, mga kontraktor, mga mayayaman, mga dynasty, hindi naaalagaan yung tunay na mga sektor.
Magandang hapon muli sa ating lahat at maraming salamat sa inyong muling pagboto sa akin bilang Membership Committee Chairperson. And as part of what we are going to do for our party membership, we have a proposal under the Membership Committee that we will register a party list. So, may I read, Kuya King, the resolution authorizing Partido Demokratiko Pilipino, PDP Laban, National Assembly Resolution. A resolution authorizing the creation, registration, and accreditation of a sectoral party list to participate in the party list system of representation for the 2028 elections. Whereas the Partido Pilipino Lakas ng Bayan PDP Laban is a duly registered national political party committed to democratic principles, federalism, and the empowerment of marginalized and underrepresented sectors of Philippine society. Whereas RA number 7941, otherwise known as the Party List System Act, allows registered national, regional, and sectoral parties or organizations to participate in the election of party list representatives to the House of Representatives. Whereas the National Executive Committee and the National Council of PDP Laban during its April meeting recognizes the urgent need to expand its advocacy for women, youth, indigenous peoples, and or other marginalized sector as may be determined by the party leadership through direct proportional representation in Congress. Kasi wala na tayong tao sa Kongreso, so dapat ang PDP Laban meron. Whereas the party constitution empowers the National Assembly to pass resolutions concerning electoral strategies, organizational expansions, coalitions, and official nominations for national elections. Now therefore be it resolved that it is hereby resolved by the National Assembly of PDP Laban in a meeting duly assembled today, the creation and support that the party hereby authorizes and supports the creation and organization of party list group to represent the sector in the upcoming election cycle. COMELEC accreditation that the party's legal committee and authorized officers are hereby directed to file the necessary petition for registration and accreditation of the said party list organization before the Commission on Elections in full compliance with RA 7941. The approval of nominees. That nominees shall be voted upon by the members in a special meeting to be called for the purpose. Nominees should be members in good standing and true representatives of the chosen sector. Authority to sign that the party president, Sebastian Baste Duterte, and the Secretary General, Attorney Wendell Abisado, are hereby granted full authority to sign, execute, and deliver the certificate of nomination, certificates of acceptance, and all relevant documents required by the COMELEC. Resolved finally that copies of this resolution be furnished to the COMELEC department, the PDP Laban Secretariat, and all concerned party organs for immediate implementation and record keeping. Approve this. Mr. Chairman, I move that this resolution be adopted by the National Assembly. So,
What's the pleasure of the Assembly?
Before that, Mr. Captain, there was a motion.
Yes, Secretary Abdullah.
condition of the participation of PDP Laban in party-list elections. In party-list elections, it's about representation of marginalized. Now, as far as this is concerned, I would like to ask the Legal Affairs Department of our party, we as a party, and what are the party-list candidates in this coming election that mandatory? That is just my clarification.
Yes, go ahead, sorry, Astra.
To answer the question, we will be registering a new party list under the sectoral representation of the members of PDP Laban. For the information of the body, Liberal Party already has a party list of its own, that's ML, Mamamayang Liberal, which fielded Laila de Lima as its representative to the House of Representatives. So this time, PDP Laban, previously we had one party list during the time of Senator Coco, that was the PDP, but which fielded his wife as the party list nominee. This time around, we will be registering a new party list to address the needs of our marginalized members in the party so that we will have a voice in Congress for our marginalized sectors, as well as we will be able to participate in the party list election of 2028.
Nais ng PDP Laban mapalawak pa ang serbisyo sa kanyang mga miyembro. We are the only political party na 95% of its membership are non-politicians. Kaya naglatag po ang membership committee ng panukala na mag-register ang partido ng party list. Kasi kung napapansin ninyo, medyo na ano na yung party list system eh. Ang mga tumatakbo, mga kontraktor, mga mayayaman, mga dynasty, hindi naaalagaan yung tunay na mga sektor. And dito sa PDP Laban, sa sobrang dami ng miyembro natin, there are a lot of sectors in our political party na hindi na-address yung mga needs nila. That is why I have proposed, and nagagalak naman ako that it was approved by the National Assembly, that we will register a party list for our sectoral representation, no, in Congress. Kasi nawalan ng boses nga eh, 'di ba? Para silang sindikato sa ano, pag sinabi ng speaker na ganito, lahat na sila subaybay doon sa kung ano sinabi ng speaker. So PDP Laban would like to have a real voice of the people in Congress. Pangalawa na matagal na namin pinag-usapan ni Senator Jimmy yung online orientation of members. We are developing this already, and hopefully before the end of the year ay ma-launch namin itong online for associate members, kasi kailangan pa rin na yung full membership dapat may physical attendance to the basic membership seminar. Pangatlo, magandang balita kasi at ito na sabi ko na rin ito sa leadership before, para sa ating mga, kasi 'di ba, isa sa mga struggles ng mga ordinaryong mamamayang Pilipino, ang hirap magbukas ng bangko. Kasi sobrang dami ng requirements, ganyan, and we would like this to be available to our party members. So, I have made a proposal. In fact, I will have a meeting this afternoon. Hindi ko na lang muna sabihin kung ano yung but the membership ID kaya lahat ng mga hindi pa nakatanggap ng ID, anuhin nyo muna yung damdamin ninyo, kasi meron akong panukala na mas mapapaganda pa yung ating yung identification card natin. Magiging kagaya na siya ng Pag-ibig at saka ng GSIS na meron siyang kasamang ATM. Parang UMID, di ba? So, para hindi na kayo mahirapan ng pagbubukas ng inyong bangko na pwede kayong maka-access ng inyong pera, the membership ID of PDP Laban will now come with an ATM card. So yun yung natin, no? And may yung 100 pesos bayad nila, yun yung laman. Oo, kasi nabayad kayo ng 100 pesos, di ba? So, imbis na, yung 100 pesos, that's going to be your initial deposit to your, Pero, ito pa yung pagkagandahan dito sa proposal natin, hopefully ma-approve. Like, for example, if you will have a 10,000 deposit, you will also have a limit for your credit card. Oh, di ba? So, magkaroon ka ng credit accessibility through your, So, it's both a debit credit identification card. Excited ba kayo dito? So, yan yung, natin, na hopefully, mas maganda ang pag-uusap namin sa magiging kapartner natin so that our members will have opportunities for livelihood. The chapters will have, kasi bago na yung magkakaroon ng competition for the livelihood, yung lahat ng mga region namin sa PDP Laban. So, kaakibat na rin ito doon sa and giving access also to our livelihood groups sa bawat region to access to initial capital sa kanilang mga livelihood program. So, excited ba kayo sa mangyayari sa PDP? Ayan.